How to deposit money on Coinbase. So basically, if you want to deposit money on Coinbase, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Coinbase application here, and once you launch the Coinbase app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now over here, what you have to do is you basically need to go ahead and then actually tap on the portfolio icon or this particular icon from here. So you can also simply come over here and you'll see a couple of options, or you can also simply come to this particular page. So you have to come to this icon, which is the clock-like icon from the bottom, where it will take you to my assets. To deposit cash or money into it, what you basically have to do from here is go to the cash option. So by default you'll be in crypto, go to cash. Here you can say deposit cash. Tap on deposit cash button and simply make sure to add a payment method first. So you can see, in order to deposit USD, first set up a payment method. Tap on add payment method, select whether you want to add bank or gift card. So you can select bank account right here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then link your account, and once you link your account, you'll be able to enter the amount of money you want to deposit, and it will be deposited to your Coinbase account. This way you'll be able to deposit money into Coinbase. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.